Good morning guys, this is Ronnie once again and welcome back to my channel. Thank God guys, we had a chance to go on a holiday and I'm welcoming you all guys to the Island of the Gods. We are now in Bali, Indonesia guys, and as you all know, Bali, Indonesia is famous with the Dinosaur Island, Kelingking Beach. Actually, their beaches are very beautiful. Aside from that, meron din silang ipinagmamalaki when it comes to beach clubs. So right now, I am currently here to one of their famous beach club. It is called The Edge Bali. It is located in Uluwatu. And right now guys, I'm already inside the beach club and right on my back, it is one of the pools inside the beach club guys. And later guys, I'll show you why it is called The Edge. And ituturo ko rin, i-share ko rin how I got here, how much yung prices, and paano punta dito. So join me guys. So how do I got here guys? I actually rent a Grab car from my hotel in Seminyak. It cost me 179,000 rupiah. So that's more or less 500 pesos in the Philippines. Travel time, it took me around 2.5 hours kasi medyo jam. Traffic papunta dito guys. To tell you, malaed sa yung traffic kasi maliit yung road papunta dito kaya ganun siya ka-traffic. So medyo matagal. When it comes to prices naman guys, I highly suggest you book this activity, specifically the Bali Edge, Uluwatu, sa Klook kasi mas mura siya, or actually pareho lang kasi it will cost you 500,000 rupiah. 100,000 doon would be your entrance and 400,000 would be consumable for food and drinks while you're here sa beach club. So mas maganda na sa Klook mag-book kasi sure at legit, and the staff here are amazing. They will assist you no matter who you are. They were very kind and they will help you. So dito yung main pool nila guys, and doon sa gilid na yon, ayun yung The Edge na tinatawag, yung overlooking doon sa may waves. And then may isa pang pool doon, ayun sa private pool siya for those who are checked in dito sa hotel. And doon dapat yung magpipicture sa inyo if you wanted to take good pictures dun sa The Edge. This is the connecting bridge naman papunta dun sa magandang spot for The Edge, and connecting itong bridge na to, ito sa maganda namang pool dito para siyang Kaparpakan Falls sa Aurora naman. Look at this view guys. That one. Pretty. With the food naman guys, ito yung 400,000 na consumable. I got mocktail, I got Coca-Cola, I got Pokeball, and I got calamari pa later pagdating. So that cost 400,000 rupiah na siya. I forgot to tell you guys, for the 500,000 that you have to pay, you only have 4 hours of stay dito sa beach club, dito sa The Edge. And after that, you'll have to end your stay. Going back, you don't have to worry kasi may mga buggy na nag-aantay sa inyo to bring you to the reception. Ito yung mga buggy na yun. And dun sa reception, dun na kayo pwedeng mag-book ng Grab. And that's the end of the activity guys. As I've said, the buggy na sinakyan natin, hinatid lang ako dito sa reception kung saan ako galing kanina. Ayan. And now, I'm just waiting for the Grab to bring me back to the hotel. See you on the next destination guys.